so long, I've been looking so hard, I've been waiting too long. Sometimes I don't know what I will find, I only know it's a matter of time. When you love someone, when you love someone, it feels so right, so warm and true. I need to know if you feel it too. Maybe I'm wrong, or won't you tell me if I'm coming on too strong? This heart of mine has been hurt before. This time I wanna be sure. I've been waiting for a girl like you to come into my life. I've been waiting for a girl like you, a love that will survive. I've been waiting for someone new to make me feel alive. Yeah, waiting for a girl like you to come into my life. Hi there pluckers, Ivor Sawfingers again with you with another classic, hopefully interesting lesson for you. Song from Foreigner, of course, Waiting for a Girl Like You from the early 80s. Right, for this lesson I am in standard tuning and no capos, okay? Now if you want to play along with the original track from Foreigner, you will have to put, or I suggest you put a capo on the first fret and play everything I'm about to show you with a cap on the first fret, and you will be in tune with the record. Okay, fortunately I can't sing it quite in that key, so hence I've dropped it slightly. Okay, so let's get to it. So I've started the song off with my interpretation of the song is obviously a heavily keyboard based song, so this is a bit of a transposition over to the guitar. Okay, so it's not going to sound quite the same obviously. So we start off with two chords, A minor and a G chord, which is played as an F shape on the third fret, and we use the A bottom, the fifth string open. Okay, so it's G with A in the bass. Okay, so what I did to start off with, I just arpeggiated the first three strings of each chord and strum the remainder. Okay, so so that's from 5 down to 1. I'm not playing the bottom E string at all. Okay. Right, and then we go into the classic synthesizer riff, which kicks it off. Okay. So what I'm doing with that is I'm barring the first two strings with my first finger. And the riff starts up on the 8th fret of the top E string, which you can use your pinky for or your third finger, whichever. And you basically play the top E string and then the second string, which is held on the bar on the 5th fret. Okay, so then you lower the top string down to the 7th fret, and then take the finger, just leave the bar behind, and play the 5th fret top E string and the second string on the 5th fret. Alright, so that's the first three bits. Okay, then we take this bar and move it down to the 3rd fret. So I'm barring the first two strings on the 3rd fret now. And you start off by playing just the bar, the top E string 3rd fret, and then the second string on the 3rd fret. So now we've got this. Then we add your third finger, most likely, to the 5th fret of the top E string and play the 3rd on the 2nd again. Then we play the bar again just on its own, top string, and then this third on the second. Okay, so now we've got this. Okay, and immediately afterwards we play the top E string. After you've gone that last double stop there, we play the open top E string, followed by the first on the second. Okay, so now we've got this slowly. Okay, as far as we got. And then the last two notes are the third fret of the second string, and finally second fret of the third string, the G string. That's the last note of the riff. Okay, and you do the whole thing twice. So very, very slowly. Very, very slowly. Okay, so let's just do the whole intro together. Two lots of my A minor to G with A in the bass, okay? And the slow riff. Okay, do it again. Okay. Right, and then we're into the song, which is basically the A minor with the G with A in the bass, but sort of slow strum. Okay, so coming out of that riff, so long I've been looking too hard, I've been waiting too long. Sometimes I don't know what I will find, I only know it's a matter of time. Okay, then we go into the next phrases, which is E minor and D. Straightforward E minor shape, straightforward D shape. Okay, so it's sometimes I don't know what I will find when you love someone. When you love someone. Keep going, E minor to D. It feels so right, so warm and true. I need to know if you feel it too. Very last thing on Feel It Too is an E7. That's an E major chord with the third finger off, open fourth string. Okay, got it? The whole thing? So the whole verse, let's just do the verse, okay? So long, I've been looking too hard, I've been waiting too long. Sometimes I don't know what I will find, I only know it's a matter of time. E minor to D, love someone. When you love someone, keep going. It feels so right, so warm and true. I need to know. E7 to feel it too. Okay, so the very last chord is an E7. Feel it from the D to the E7. Then we go to the pre-chorus. Maybe I'm wrong. That's an F major 7th. That's an F chord with the bar lifted up, top E string open. G. Now you'll notice I'm playing a 4-fingered F major 7th. It's exactly the same chord with another finger, okay? So there's the 3-fingered F major 7, top E string open. I'm just moving this third finger up to the 3rd fret of the 5th string, and now my pinky goes to the 3rd fret of the 4th string. It's just another form of F major 7th, but you get an extra string involved in it. Okay, so that's the same chord, but by all means just use the 3-finger one, that's fine. So maybe then second part is just F major 7th to G, however you wish to play your G chord. As long as it's a G chord, that's fine. Okay, so maybe I'm wrong, won't you tell me? F major 7th to G, F major 7th out of my G, I've heard before, F major 7th, stop on G, sure, and that, I want to be sure, stop on the G, sure, bit of a pause, and then we go into the chorus. Okay, so F major 7th to G, won't you tell me if I'm coming on too strong? This heart of mine has been hurt before. This time I wanna be sure. Okay, and then we're going into the chorus. So, one more bit to do and that's it, because it just repeats everything after that. Okay. So, the chorus itself. I've been waiting, right, I'm waiting, it's a D, the way I'm playing it, D minor, okay? I've been waiting for a girl like you to come and fill my life. That's so, D minor, I've been waiting for a girl like you to come is a B flat, come and back to the D minor. So I'm playing a B flat like that, simple B flat, first finger, first fret, top E string, and the rest 3 fingers from on the 4th, 3rd and 2nd strings on the 3rd fret, 4 down to 1. You obviously could play that as a bar chord like that, or like that, but simple's okay, or you could play a bar chord up here, whatever, okay, but the way I'm playing it is down here. Keep it as simple as I can for you. D minor, I've been waiting for a girl like you, come into my D minor live. And then we do this very simple chord, first one finger, first finger, 2nd string, B string, 1st fret, strings 5 open, 4 open, 3 open, let's say second string, 1st fret, and top E string open. Dead simple. 5 down to 1, just the one finger, and that is a D9 sus4. If you want to know what that is. Nice name, isn't it? So that's I've been waiting for a girl like you. B minor, B flat rather. D minor, and then this D9 sus4. Okay, and repeat, and then just repeat that. I've been waiting for a girl like you. B flat, a love that will survive is a G minor. First 3 strings, we're talking about first 3 strings barred at the 3rd fret. And then 2 other fingers playing the 5th fret of the 5th string and the 4th string, or you could play a bar chord, 3rd fret bar. Okay, it's up to you. Easier one or hard one. So that's, and then it just repeats the whole thing. Okay, so from the beginning again, I've been waiting for a girl like you to come into my life. I've been waiting for a girl like you, a love that will survive. I've been waiting for somebody new to make me feel alive. I've been waiting for a girl like you to come into my life. And it stops on that. Coming to my life is another single strum, 5 on a G minor. So basically it's 2 lots of D minor to B flat, back to D minor to the D9 sus4. Second time round it's D minor to B flat to G minor, and then it just repeats everything again. D minor to B flat, back to D minor, D9 sus4, D minor, B flat, G minor, stop. Okay, and then there's a little lead up to get the song back into the next verse, and you play the bottom E string on the 3rd fret and then the 4th fret of the bottom E string, and then you do the riff again, etc, etc. Do that twice and you're into the next verse, and everything just repeats itself after that. Okay, different words on the verse. Okay, so when you come out of that last line where it goes, is that waiting for a girl like you, B flat, come in, G minor, and I stop, that's it. So there you have it, boys and girls. Shall we go through the whole thing relatively slowly? It's fairly slow anyway, okay, but you can slow it down even more. Okay, so from the beginning, from my little intro, okay? So long, I've been looking too hard, I've been waiting too long. Sometimes I don't know what I will find, I only know it's a matter of time. When you love someone, when you love someone, it feels so right, so warm and true. I need to know if you feel it too. Maybe I'm wrong, won't you tell me if I'm coming on too strong? This heart of mine has been hurt before. This time I wanna be sure. I've been waiting for a girl like you to come into my life. I've been waiting for a girl like you, a love that will survive. I've been waiting for someone new to make me feel alive. Yeah, waiting for a girl like you to come into my life. And so on. There you have it, boys and girls, a nice, easy, laid-back song for you. Thanks very much for watching and listening, and I'll hopefully see you in the next video. Bye for now.